Hi guys, I'm Kriti and today I'll be telling you 5 tips that will change your makeup game. So sit back, follow along and get your glam on. So the first makeup tip is always moisturize your face. That is the key to having a flawless base. So spread it evenly and don't forget to miss your neck. Now we're going to move to primer. So I'm going to use a primer now. Just take 2 pumps and then put it on your T-zone and spread it evenly. And voila, we have a flawless base. The next makeup tip to have an even base is to apply your foundation with your fingers. Now we're going to go with the beauty blender and blend it all in. Another bonus tip is to avoid applying foundation on your under eye to avoid creasing. And don't forget to put the foundation on your neck and blend it all in. And we're ready. The third makeup tip is to always stick to less is more. So we're going to take our concealer and just apply a tiny bit on my under eye. The fourth tip to have a lifted look is to always apply products in an upward direction. Let me show you how. Now we'll take the sponge and blend it in an upward direction. The fifth and the final tip is to apply a setting powder using your sponge. Trust me, it's a game changer. So that was it guys. Trust me, these 5 tips have changed my makeup game. Do try it out and let me know what you think in the comment section below. And for more such tips, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to MyGlamm. Bye.